Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sharlrita Deloatch, your digital publishing bestie. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to make money on Medium.com in 2024. I'm going to share with you the 4 proven strategies that you can earn income. Now, the first way is the Medium Partner Program. This is where you can earn money based on engagement. So Medium says engagement is claps, like likes on Facebook, but it's claps, reads, how long someone stays on your stories. That's how you get paid in the Medium Partner Program. It is very easy to join the program. I know you need to at least have I think it's 1 to 3 articles already posted. You can be in you need to be in the United States. However, there are some other countries that they just introduced that you can get inside of the program as well, and it's connected to Stripe. So you need to have a Stripe account where you can get paid. And there's some other criterias, but it's really easy to get in, and it does not take long at all to get in. You can make some substantial amount of money on Medium.com. You do have to. It's like social media. You got to make sure that you're engaging with other people, because if you're not engaging, they're not going to engage. So when you engage in their stuff, they engage in your stuff. You'll get, that's how you make money. And of course, writing on there, you want to write articles on there. I'm not telling you that you need to write every single day. I've seen people write every single day. I've seen people write 3 times a week. I've seen people write a part of, publications. It does not really matter, but you do want to be consistent. You want to have a consistent schedule because you want content to be on your page. So when someone follows you and they decide to follow your work and your work comes up on there, like your FYP page, like TikTok, you have that part of Medium. It's not called FYP, but you basically have your algorithm where you be able to see the articles of individuals that you follow and articles of individuals that are writing really great articles. So Medium does have a great partner program. I've been a part of it for a while. Now my income drops up and down because it depends on making sure that I'm engaging and making sure that I'm putting effort into my content as well. Okay. The next one is affiliate marketing. Now you can include affiliate links within your articles to earn commission as well. So you write an article about a tool that you use in your business, you can definitely not just any kind of article, but writing a tutorial or writing ways for people to use the tool. People will click on the tool and they will purchase. Okay. Another way is selling your own products and services, like digital products. So you have digital products. You can use Medium to promote and sell your digital product and services. Now, there's a couple ways that you can do this. One of the ways that I do is that at the end of all of my articles, I always have it's like a tag, not a tag, but I always have a ending to all of my articles. Let me show you really quick, and I'm going to go to Medium, my Medium profile, so that I can show you really quick what I mean. So at the end of every single last one of my articles, this is my Medium profile here and right here. So I'm going to click on this article right here. And when I click on this article, I'm going to scroll down. And right here, see, at the end of all of my articles, this is my signature way of closing out all of my articles. People can get access to my free on-demand course if they need coaching is there. And I have my shop there, and I have a little short bio along with the picture. There's a couple ways that you can end, but you want to have a ending to all of your articles so that people will know, how to contact you or how to get more of your content. So it's a lot of ways that you can do that, but you do want to have that. You want to brand your articles to look like you, and put your oomph to it. Put your oomph to it. All right. So the next one is sponsored posts. Sponsored posts. I did do this before as well, where I had a partnership with an individual where first of all, I created a YouTube video for the individual, and I took the YouTube video and created a sponsored post. So I created a sponsored article for that individual too. So that's something you can think about. There are companies and things you want to talk about, maybe companies that you are affiliated with, and they can pay you for the sponsor post. Absolutely. See, people love to see that somebody's writing about them. Okay, people love to see that there's an article out there because they can take that article and they can share it with their audience, and that will get eyes on not only like your affiliate link if you have an affiliate link, but it would get also eyes on you, who you are, and it get eyes on whoever you're promoting. So I did that before too, and that individual was able to get a lot more eyes on their newsletter, and we did like a swap thing, so they promoted mine and I promoted there. So sponsor post doesn't necessarily mean you have to charge for it. You can charge for it. You could do that. However, you can do a swap. You can write about someone, and think about too, what you think about doing your own publication, like, so you can have your own publication on Medium too. And you can, I've seen an individual, she has her own publication and she charges people to write articles on them, and all she does is a simple interview, and she puts the article on Medium. Medium is a platform that is known. Okay, so a lot of people don't understand the power of Medium, but it's one of those writing platforms that is known, that you could take that logo, put it on your website. You know how people have, they were seen on. You can put Medium as that as well. So there's a lot of things that you can do to earn income on Medium. You just got to get creative. But those are the 4 ways I wanted to tell you about, in ways if you're not on Medium. So if you're on Medium, put your link down in the comments. I'll come follow you, check out some of your articles, and do the same for myself, because I love to write on there. I don't write on there every day, but at least every other day I'm putting some content out there, because as you can see in a past video, I showed you how you can repurpose. I repurpose my YouTube videos and make articles out of those. So there's a lot of ways that you can get this done, so you can get your content out there on these SEO platforms. So listen, go ahead and like this video, subscribe. You like this type of content and you love for me, I love talking about multiple streams of income anyway. I like to help you get to the money. Hit that notification bell so when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Now, I am a digital publisher, so if you want to learn more about how you can create and leverage your expertise and create products and services, this workshop is for you. It's an on-demand workshop. So once you sign on, you'll get immediate access to the workshop. And it's like 30 minutes. I go over my own framework and how I built my profitable digital publishing business without social media. Okay. And if you're ready for coaching, mentorship, to help you with creating your multiple streams of income, you need some clarity. You need to know the how to and how to set your automations up, your systems up. Come inside the Digital Publisher Academy, because I have all the resources for you, starting at only $49 a month. So you come on, get on in there, get the help that you need. I'm here to serve you.